I love it.
That's all the way from Thailand.
Whoa.
Little girl.
You have to wash it.
No.
Okay.
Leggings.
What is this? Horse.
It's got little horses on there. Like clouds. Horse clouds.
Do they glow or something?
What is this?
It says it's for a jewelry box, but you don't have jewelry, but you can put other things in there.
Okay.
You can decorate the box. It's like a treasure box.
What is this? A skirt?
Hmm?
Can I go get the big thing? I love it!
Aw, you haven't gotten his gift yet.
Yeah.
That's just a regular old shirt. You like it?
Mm-hmm. Water bottle.
Okay.
Okay.
You got your own smelly stuff. Your own. Your very own.
That was at the dollar store. What is this? Oh!
It's for your bed, okay?
Okay.
These little sheets?
Yep.
That's it.
That's it?
What's this? Oh, okay, bottom.